Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Discord client is current and you have developer mode enabled. This gives access to identifiers and advanced options. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Appearance so you can quickly toggle compact or cozy layouts. Make sure you back up any existing custom themes or CSS snippets to a safe file. You'll act now on visible options first, then import tweaks. So prepare files and note current settings before proceeding to deeper changes. You will change layout and theme settings next. Pick compact or cozy, adjust message spacing, and set font scaling so text fits your screen. Once done, choose light or dark theme and test contrast for readability. Make incremental adjustments and observe effects in multiple servers. If you plan to use plugins or custom themes, install only verified packages and confirm they match your Discord version. Remember to test after each change, so you isolate which tweak produced the result. You finalize by applying advanced tweaks like CSS snippets or verified theme files, and then restarting Discord to ensure the changes load. Once done, clear the app cache if elements look broken, and make one change at a time so you can revert easily. If something fails, disable recent plugins first, then reinstall the app or restore your backup settings. This usually resolves conflicts. Make sure to keep a single source of truth for theme files so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.